Hello guys, I'm sorry. I was actually not well, so I've gotta cover a lot of stuff today. Okay, so this is the last video for today. Okay, so let's actually look at statistics. Okay, so mean is nothing but the average. Okay, so there's nothing but the sum of all values by the number of values. Okay, let's say so this is what it takes. Okay, so you can just use the calculator and get it. Just use decimals. It'll give the answer. So the median. Sorry, sorry. So the middle value is the median. So 12 is the median here, right? What if we had two middle values? Sorry. So sorry. So here we have two middle values, right? So now you find the mean of the two middle values. There's the average. And then you have range. So range is nothing but the largest minus the smallest. So here, the range is 18 minus 4, which is 14, right? So 18 is the largest and 4 is the smallest. Now mode, what is mode? Okay, now what is the mode of this data set? Okay, now this is 4. You see 4 has been repeated for 3 times. That is after, like, 4 has been written 4 times, okay? And then 3 has been 2 times, 6 has been 2 times, 2 and 5 1 time. So 4 is the most frequent number. So this is equal to 4, okay? Now this is so simple. Statistics is definitely not tough, okay? So I guess that's it, okay? Except for this, you need to know how to read graphs, and I guess everyone must be able to read graphs, bar graphs, and pie graphs, and everything. Those are just simple common sense, right? So that's it for today, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow.